What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning back into my channel, and I'm here with the haul. Back with the haul. I feel like I just did an Ulta haul not too long ago, which it hasn't been too long. I'm back with the haul. I went to Ulta the other day, and yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what I got. So if you like videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also, make sure to hit the bell. I always forget to say that. There's so many things you have to say and remind people to do, but don't forget to hit that bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And let's go ahead and get into it. The bag, I don't have everything in here. I got more stuff than what's in here because the lady, the cashier, I guess she ripped the bag or something. It was smaller than this and it's grown ever since then. I was just trying to keep this bag until I could do this thumbnail. I was cleaning up earlier and I literally ripped up the receipt and threw it away, so I had to get on the Ulta app and look up the prices, and I wrote everything down on a little post-it note just in case y'all are interested, because I know if I'm interested in something I want to know the price. So where should I start? First, I got a eyeshadow palette. It's a 9-shadow palette. This is the Fire eyeshadow palette from Essence, and Essence is known to have a lot of good products. I know that there was a eyeliner pen. I haven't been able to find it, but it was an eyeliner pen. It was so good, like very pigmented, easy to use. I haven't been able to find it. I don't know if they still sell it, but this is what the inside of it looks like. I know it looks dirty. I've used it. I was trying to test it out. I don't know how I feel about it. I have to test it again because I was in a hurry. Very fire, very warm colors, which I will hope so because this is a fire palette. And even though these are warm colors, you can use these as everyday colors as well, because some of them are matte. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes. These two, this red up here, and then this brown, and then the rest of these are shimmers. Let's do beep, bop, boop. I'm horrible at swatches, but boop, boop, boop. Well, like I said, I have to try this out more and play with it a little bit more before I can really tell you how I feel about it. Next, I got this banana baking powder from I Love Revolution. And when I was in the store, I was confused. I thought this was Makeup Revolution because the font is the same, but I saw it said I Heart Revolution, so I was like, so are they the same company or are they different? I think they're two separate companies, but I don't know if they're like, I don't know if this brand is built off of Makeup Revolution, if that makes sense. Leave a comment down below if you know and let me know. I'm almost out of my setting powder that I use, the NYX one, and I want to try something different. So I got this, and this is what it looks like. Really, you get a decent amount. I know it looks like it's empty, but it's not. And I actually have it on, so I put my concealer on and I set it with this. They have 4 different shades. So banana, which is this one, they have coconut, which is a lighter one, peach, and chocolate banana, I believe. So different shades, and I don't know how the other ones smell, but this one smells exactly like bananas. I don't know how I feel about it. It doesn't smell like actual like bananas, like the fruit. It smells like a banana Laffy Taffy. So that's exactly what it smells like. Oh my gosh, it smells like a banana Laffy Taffy. I use a combination of things. I also used another new product I'm going to show you in a second, but so far this is the second time that I've used this powder and I'm loving it so far. So yeah, we're gonna see if this powder is a keeper. If it is, then you know, I may have found a new powder that I like. Next, everything else that I got is from e.l.f., which wasn't intentional, but I saw a lot of things while I was over there that I want to get. First, If you watch my tutorials, you know I've said this, I'm not a blush person, but I want to get into blush. I've been getting into blush a little bit lately. I'm wearing blush now. I don't know if you can tell. I have it like on my cheeks, a little bit on my nose. And I'm actually wearing my new blush that I got. This is the Primer Infused Blush in the color Always Rosy. And this blush it was $6. They're one of those drugstore brands that's been rebranding themselves as a brand, and they've been upping their quality and upping their packaging and everything, and so I'm all for that because I love e.l.f. I've said it before, and yeah, I'm just excited to see everything that they're doing. I finally got my hands on something I've been wanting to try. This is the Poreless Putty Primer Universal Sheer in the color Universal Sheer. Now these primers have been like, you can't find them anywhere. You can't even order them online for a while because somebody here on YouTube did a review and everybody was just trying to get their hands on it. So finally saw it in Ulta and I got it. This was $8. So yeah, and I'm wearing it now, so I'm not sure. Well, I guess it did a good job of kind of filling my pores because my pores are out of control right now. So it looks a lot better under here now than it did before. Hopefully that's a keeper. Not really sure how to properly use that, you know, but I'm still testing it out, so yeah. Last but not least, I got this concealer. This is the Hydrating Camo Concealer from e.l.f. in the shade Tan Walnut. But if you watch my last haul, I think in my last haul I got this one, which is the same thing, but this is the matte version. e.l.f., how did y'all not tell me that y'all came out with a hydrating formula? Like, I feel like there was so much promo for this, but not this. Either I missed it or I don't know. But yeah, this is in the shade Tan Walnut. I have this under my eyes, so I use two concealers to highlight. I use a concealer that's close to my skin shade just to have a base, and then I put on a lighter concealer, and this was the one I used today, and so far so good. I used a little bit of it because it's a little bit too light, but so far so good. I'm liking what I'm seeing and just the combination of stuff that I have. So far so good. Like I said, I have to keep testing this stuff out, but I think I got some new stuff I can keep adding to my collection. But that's it for this haul. I'm pretty happy with everything that I got. That's it for this haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And if you like me doing hauls, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you think of the products that I purchased, and also if you purchased any of these products, what do you think about it? And are there any other products that I should look out for or try to get my hands on? Leave it down in the comments below, because apparently I'm out of the loop. You got makeup coming out left and right, so it's hard to keep up at this point. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.